you hear me because of this thing here. So I just made it to within for my routine acupuncture session. Today we're going to do a full cupping treatment. My menstrual's coming next week, so I think my body's going to be a bit sensitive for the needles. So Fanny's going to do me a complete head to toe cupping session today. It's my first time just doing cups. I'm going close so you can hear me. It's my first time doing cups. So we'll see how I like it. I love it with the acupuncture. So I think that tells me enough. Trader Joe's. Between this protein drink, I usually get this one, the banana and almond butter, but I want to try the spice chai, but I want to know if one has more protein than the other. Fat, carb, sugar, protein 15 grams. And then this one, protein 14. I think this is 14 grams. Okay. So I'll try this one. I mean, this one is good if you shop Trader Joe's and looking for a quick protein drink. But I think this one will have just a little bit of a better taste because of the vanilla and the chai. And I need to do a carrot juice. So my manicurist told me that carrot juice is good for nail strength. So I've been drinking a few glasses of this per week. Or in the week. And beet juice, any red juice, she said was also great. So I've been switching between those two.
Maybe even higher. Ooh, la, 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 la.
I was listening to this new podcast that I may be into. It's about watches, and I'm thinking that may be my new hobby. We'll see. We'll see. So I have some PR packages that I need to get opened. I guess we can start with this one. This is from Margiela, and how pretty is this box? Oh, it smells good. Look how gorgeous. See that? This is how the replica bottles come. And then I got the matching candle. Wow, thank you. I also got something from YSL Beauty. This case is gorgeous too. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look, I'm more into the packaging, the actual product, but that is, I mean, it's like a suede lining. Oh, these look like some new concealers, all hours, precise angles concealers. Look like they got my colors right as well. I mean, the packaging is just gorgeous. A few other things that I did pop out of the boxes already, but they're brand new. Some skincare, which I'm really excited about. And okay, I did already try this one. I just put it back in the box to show you guys. Let's start with this. This is from Irene. I think it's Irene. I had a PR event with this brand a few weeks ago and got to meet her. And I believe she told us the correct pronunciation is Irene Forte, perhaps. And this was the product that they were launching. It's a phytomelatonin rejuvenating serum. I didn't get to try it at the actual event. They didn't have it available, but so they followed up and sent us the product in the mail, and I love this serum. I just started using it this week. It's a oil-based serum, and my skin loves those. I love those. I like the texture of them. I like the immediate radiance it brings to the skin. It's one of those products or formulas that you actually see. I don't want to use any. I was about to put some on my hand. I don't even want to waste a drop. Sorry. But it's one of those formulas that like you see immediately work into the skin. I use it at night, and when I wake up, my skin looks amazing. And it's another skincare product I got by Perricone MD. I've tried a few of their products. I believe their sheet mask and something else that I've tried. But I really like their mask. This is a Essential FX Isoglutinate. It's a rejuvenating moisturizer. It also has SPF. So lastly, I just got, this is what I was sitting on. Let's see. So I just got this beautiful new chair, accent chair, for the living space. I mean, how gorgeous is this? At first I was a little, nervous about the color, but I think it works now. And I think it's the perfect size. Like the chair I had in the living room, initially, if you guys remember when I first moved in, it was a gorgeous chair, but it was a bit too large for the space. This one fits perfectly in this corner, and I still have enough room for a little bookshelf moment. I got this chair from Ernest, HERNEST.com. They are a luxury home furniture supplier. So a lot of the pieces that you see on their website, you can find similar ones, say on your CB2s or Crate and Barrels or EQ3s for a much lower price. Thank you so much, Ernest, for sending me my new, comfy, beautiful, luxurious chair. I am in a process of renovating some spaces in my home, and just small corners. I don't know, like I have plenty of wellness resources outside of my home. Like today we did my acupuncture, I get my facials, I do my yoga. But I think it's just as important to find those moments, those little pieces of wellness also in your home. And they're very small things, but this corner, it's definitely one of them. Having a cozy chair with my bookcase right in the back. This makes for a perfect like reading corner or prayer corner. It's someplace that I can go and feel comfortable, have a nice view. Those are definitely sacred spaces for me, and I find them really important to have just in your home. I'm so happy about my chair. You want to see it again? It's it's beautiful, right? You see it's two-toned. It's gorgeous. I know it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So I am just getting back from the nail salon. I haven't had a gel manicure, really polish on my nails in like a week, so this just feels so much better. I actually stopped doing acrylics altogether. It's been like 2 months now. Just giving my nails a break. They were so damaged. So I'm back to a gel manicure. I just found out this works. I've been doing carrot juice and beet juice. That helps with nail strength and nail growth. And I've really been seeing a difference. Like my nails are way stronger than they were when I first took the acrylics off. So that makes me really happy, and I like this color. Before I go, I did want to share with you guys that I started a newsletter. I haven't shared it yet here on my YouTube channel, but I really would love it if you guys subscribed. I send weekly letters straight to your email, so All you need is your email address to subscribe. I will share the link both in the description box and in the comments. It will take you straight to the sign up page. Put in your email, you should get some type of confirmation, and then you are in. I set a goal this month of 500 subscribers. In 2 days, we are at like 350, so that's amazing. If you subscribe and share it with 1 to 2 friends, we will definitely hit our goal, and I'll be so happy. So definitely check it out if you are interested and just want to check in with me. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in your inbox and pretty soon for another Wellness Wednesday or something else. I don't know. Who knows?